So again, welcome back to our YouTube tutorials sa ating mga different math subject. And this time, we will discuss one of the subject in free calculus, which is finding the pictures or ano ba yung mga makikita natin sa isang ellipse. So we have four different standard form in ellipse. The first one is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equivalent to 1. The second one is x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared is equivalent to 1. The third one is x minus h squared all over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equivalent to 1. And the last one is x minus h squared all over b squared plus y minus k squared is equivalent over a squared is equivalent to 1. So what's the difference between the four equation? Ano pagkakaiba nila? So the first one is the orientation of ellipse. So the orientation is kung paano ba natin makikita si ellipse. The first one is um, horizontal. So meaning our ellipse is like this. So the other one is vertical. So like this. And the other two standard form, we have also, this one is horizontal. And the last one, we have vertical. So again, horizontal is this, and vertical is like this. So the problem is, how can we say that an ellipse has an orientation of horizontal? Usually, we check the value of our A and B. If our A squared is greater than B squared, or our A is greater than B, therefore, our orientation is horizontal. Nakahiga siya. But if our A is greater than B, wherein the value of A is located below the value of Y or below Y, kung mas malaki ito kumpara dito, therefore the orientation of our ellipse vertical. So here we have horizontal since A is greater than B. And again, A is located sa ilalim ng ating X. Then this one, B, A is located at below the value of y, therefore this is vertical. So yun, napakahalaga nun kasi before we proceed with the different features of the ellipse, kailangan alam natin yung orientation. Once na alam natin yung orientation na, we can now have its center. Center is the easiest one for this two equation. Kasi dito, ang center mo dyan, automatic is 0, 0. Then for this one is 0, 0 as well. Then for this two, as you can see, we have H and K. The center here is not at the origin, but H, K. Meaning, our ellipse not here. Our ellipse not at this. The center is not here, but it's located somewhere, not in the origin. So same with the fourth example or fourth standard form, which is our center is HK. So where can we find naman the vertex? So to find the vertex, we just uh, count the distance or the distance from the origin to point A. So this is the origin or the center. Then we count A lang. That's the length. So that is A 0. How about here? So from here to here, that is 0 and A. So the other vertex or the vertices are the following. We also have here at the left side. So this is negative A 0 because the length is A and we are going to the left. So that's negative A. Here we have 0A. If we go down, that is 0, negative A. Okay? Then here we have our vertex is now HK. So we will move, the center is HK. Then we will move to the right. So we have H plus AK. Diba? Because K will not be moved. Dito pa rin yung K natin. So that's H plus minus AK. Then here, if that's vertical, gagalaw naman is yung sa Y axis o sa Y coordinate natin. So we have H, K plus minus A. For the co-vertices. So we have co-vertices. This is the vertex here, the mas making length. So that's B naman. The length from the origin to our co-vertices is B. So that is 0, B. Then we have also 0 and negative B. Then we have here, this time, we count to the right. So if that's the right, the one that will change is our x-axis. So from our center, this is our reference, that's B0, and we have B0, and we have also negative V and 0. For this center at not the origin, we will add on our y-axis because this is our co-vertices written as W. So that is H K plus minus A, and the other one, sorry, correct, that's H K plus minus A, and then we have H plus minus A, then K will not be moved because we will move to the right naman. So this is not A, sorry, this is B. Co-vertices is B, the length of B. Then for our focus, that will be the value of focus, the value of the distance of focus is C. But to get C, that is equivalent to square root of A squared minus B squared. So that will become C 0. Then we have negative C 0. And then we have here 0 C. And we have 0 negative C. Remember that the focus here in horizontal, the center, the focus, and our vertex are collinear. So meaning they have the value of Y. While here, they have the same value of X. That's why the value of X here is 0, 0, and 0 for vertical orientation. So for this one, so we have here, so we will add C this time to our H. So H plus minus C, then K. And for the last one, we have H, and then the one that will change is K plus minus E. X will be the same with the center, vertex, and focus. Okay? So that is the formula for finding the pictures of the ellipse. So in the next video, we will have an example of ellipse wherein we will solve the center, vertices, co-vertices, and focus, and then we will draw the ellipse. So thank you. So like, subscribe, and share this video.